The food concept at the inn has always been the same ever since we first started and brought a really good chef with us. We looked to source local suppliers, of which we have some absolutely superb suppliers from the locality, fishermen, butchers, veg producers. They're all some of the top people that I've ever worked with. And I can honestly sit here and say that we've not had to return one single piece of fish or meat since we first started here from any of these suppliers. Latterly, we've taken on and become members of the Champ de Rôtisseurs, which is one of the oldest eating clubs in the world, and we've also become members of the slow food movement. And both of these fit very comfortably with the type of food that we produce. And they are incredible clubs that need promoting. Since we started the restaurant, we've always wanted to work with local high quality producers, and we've managed to pick up some incredible suppliers, from butchers to fishermen to greengrocers, all very, very local, in fact within a 15-mile radius of us. And I can honestly say that with these suppliers that we've never had to hand a piece of fish or meat back in the entire time we've been working with them, which is fantastic really, when you think that we do so much food and beverage business throughout the year.